Babe, I have a question.
Yes?
How would you feel if I messaged my ex happy birthday every year?
I think that's okay.
Really? You're okay with it?
Yeah, I message my exes every year.
What?
What?
I shouldn't have said that.
You message your ex happy birthday every year?
It's just their birthday.
Do you message them happy new year?
I message them for Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa,
What?
Hanukkah, Easter.
Why?
Why not? They're just people.
No, they're your ex.
Hey, it's not that big of a deal, okay?
It is. You've seen them naked. You've seen them naked. Why are you smiling?
I have seen them.
Are you reminiscing?
What?
You think about the good old days?
What good old days?
The bungalows?
The good old days are now. The good days are now.
You thinking about them good old yiddies back then?
No. I like your yiddies, babe. You're my favorite. You're my favorite.
Don't message them anymore.
Okay.